Are you tired of boring static backgrounds in your Android apps? What if you could create smooth, modern animated backgrounds using Jetpack Compose, like premium apps? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Source code link available in video description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Android plus Jetpack Compose tutorials. And comment below if you want a full glassmorphism login UI tutorial. See you in the next video.